love again. Feel the sunlight on your skin. Keep your heartbeat beating. Go on, breathe in.
The uncontrolled of planting of oil palm trees in Kluang, Johor affects the ecosystem. But how? According to Sodi et al. In 2010, tropical ecosystems are environmentally diverse and much of the world's biodiversity is found in the tropics. It is also one of the world's oldest terrestrial ecosystem, covering almost 20% of the planet's land area. Tropical regions are located between the 23.5 degree in North Tropic of Cancer and the 23.5 degree in South of Tropic of Capricorn. Year-round rainfall and hot, humid temperatures characterize the tropical environment. There is a lot of deforestation currently to carry out oil palm agricultural activities in the tropics, especially in Malaysia. What are the issues that come from this planting of oil palms and why does it affect the ecosystem? The cultivation of oil palm trees in Kluang, Johor has posed a significant threat to biodiversity in the forest area due to deforestation. One of them is the human-elephant conflict. This conflict occurs because their habitat is disturbed and destroyed by human greed that does not care about wildlife habitat. The effect from that can cause a group of wild elephants that have lost their habitat to disturb the peace of the local residential areas as they are unable to find food sources there. There has been a lot of talk about issues related to oil palm, where an oil palm factory located in Kluang, Johor was found to have polluted the Sembrong River and forced the factory to close before. The Department Environment or DOE and Malaysian Palm Oil Board or MPOB conducted a survey that discovered a difference in dark-colored water combined with river water from oil palm mills. Because of the pollution caused by the effluent discharge from the oil palm mill, fish are starting to die in the river and this has been realized by the settlement of the Sedoho Orang Asli. For non-compliance with the licensing terms relating to the release of effluent from the premises, legal action was filed against the factory and a 1-month suspension of the license was granted.
Menurut Mustafa, individu terbabit menggunakan sokongan ahli politik bagi mendapatkan hak milik sementara sebelum ia dijual kepada syarikat tertentu yang mengusahakannya secara komersial. Katanya hasil siasatan juga mendapati setiap ekar tanah dijual pada harga RM180,000.
While the private sector and government are largely responsible for implementing these initiatives in the field, they have been continuously developed with the involvement of non-governmental organizations such as environmental community and workers' rights organizations, which also play an important role in examining its implementation. The most effective way to reduce the impact of biodiversity is to avoid changing forests and other important places for conservation. Various environmental governance measures have emerged in the past 2 decades to address the sustainability of the industry. Voluntary certification and business pledges, state legislation and a hybrid landscape approach are some of these options. These programs are highly complementary and when taken collectively, they cover a wide range of conservation and stakeholder issues.
Sentuhan Harapan Mekar Johor at Kluang, inisiatif solar ini adalah program yang kami adakan untuk membekalkan sumber elektrisiti kepada penduduk kampung orang asli Berasau untuk 11 rumah dan 2 rumah adat di kampung ini.
Finally, tropical habitats benefit biodiversity in a variety of ways. While oil palm is important to the Malaysian economy, we must also protect and conserve the tropic, as it is the habitat of almost all biodiversity in the world.
My money don't jiggle jiggle, it folds. I like to see you wiggle wiggle, for sure. It makes me wanna dribble dribble. You know, riding in my Fiat, you really have to see it. 6'2" in a compact, no slack, but luckily the seats go.